Chwe Chris Gwyn. Yng Nghwrs Cosby, Aberystwyth wrth i Mendes. Gymryd y gic, mae'n cael ei ffenio nôl gan Ebi. A'i chlirio oddi ar y lein. A Kieran Smith yn y pen draw. Yn codi ergi dros y bar. Pete. Cliriad. Syrthio i Kieran Smith. Will Evans. A Shannon. Shannon yn ergydio. A mi wirodd hi. Oedd hi ar un o'r amddiffynwyr. Yn taro'r bar. A mi syrthio hi. Yn berffaith. I dyn Ebi. A gwta fis ers iddo fo ymuno fo'r Bala. Mae o'n sgorio i bedwerydd gol i'r gwynion. Cic hir. Gan Amsi. Cyffyrddiad da ymlaen at Ebi yn y cwrs Cosby. Ebi! A mae o'n cael ei ail. Ac ar ôl 19 munud o'r ail hannar. A'r tîm cartra bellach efo troed yn y rownd gynderfynol. Yr ymwelwyr dal i drio ffindio ffordd nôl i mewn i'r gêm. Taliad yn cael ei ffenio allan. Fiel yn croesi troma. Peniad! Yr eilydd Jonathan Evans. A mi oedd hwn ar y targed. Mi oedd rhaid i Ramsey gael ei law ati. A'r golwr yn troi y bel dros y bar. Franklin. Heibio i Smith. Allan at Wyn. A'r bel yn cael ei chlirio oddi ar y lein. Aber yn mynnu bod nhw'n heiddi cic o'r smotyn. A'r Bala wedi clirio. Callum Woods yn clirio troma. Ond eto, yna Don Felyn arall yn dod yn ôl teg at gol y tîm cartra. Franklin yn taro'r bel ar draws at Fiel. Croesiad Fiel yn cael ei hannar chlirio. Franklin! Nach i gol! Harry Franklin ar y foli o 19 llath. Ac ar ôl cyfnod o ryw 10 munud da iawn i Aber o'r diwedd, maen nhw wedi cael eu heiddiant. Fiel, disgyn yn ôl at ochr i gwrs Cosby i helpu fo'r amddiffyn. Bel yn cael ei lansio ymlaen eto i gyfeiriad Jonathan Evans. Evans yn rheoli'r bel yn dda! A fe gath o ergyd ar y targed. Doedd hi ddim yr ergyd gryfa. Di-gyfeiriad a Blair gan Matthew Jones. Bel yn cael ei tharo ymlaen. Ebi, mae gen Ebi. Gymort i mewn iddo fo. Will Evans ydi hwnnw. Evans yn codi ben! And the ergyd o'n cael ei arbed.
Colin, you had to work hard, but you got the result you wanted in the end.
Yeah, I thought we were very good in the first half, but apart from the final third, put a couple of balls in and couple of saves by their keeper. But I thought we did well. I thought we managed the game really well. I thought we bossed the game until the last 10 minutes, where it was a bit hectic. But then we should go and kill it 3 and 4 then. But if you don't take your chances, it's always difficult when they get one and get back in it with a really good goal from their lad.
Do you feel a bit hardened by the result in the end?
Like all we can ask for from our players is to go and compete with them. Like you say, they're a good side. You know, they're a solid side. You know, Colin's got them well drilled and things. So, you know, man for man, I felt we competed with them all over the park. And we can't ask for anything more. You know, it was one of them, like, you know, with the first goal. And that told a little bit, like, you know. So, but no, I'm pleased with the boys in terms of what they gave us, and it's, you know, the result's the result, unfortunately.
Dean Ebi there, you signed him on the last day of the transfer window. He's had quite a month. That's 5 goals for you already now, and that's the second brace this afternoon.
Yeah, he's done really well. I've always rated him as a player. I thought he stood out. He was a standout player at TNS, and for whatever reasons he's not playing, but he's doing a great job for us, and he's fitted in really well. And his payback for what, you know, us putting in for him to get him on loan is second to none at the moment.